Well, hello everyone, this is Tom, and we've been contacted by many Profoto B10 users that the knob on the B10 sucks, that it's too small and sometimes too hard to use. When their hands sweat, it slips, it's hard to get a grip on it. So they've asked us, and we decided to use one of our proven knobs, trying to see if we can retrofit this B10, and it turns out it's very, very easy. Alright, so here we go. All you need is this knob and a washer. Okay, and that's what we sell in our package. To remove, you simply remove this knob. You want to hold this assembly together so it doesn't fall apart, and you can just replace with this knob. Put that back in and screw it in. That's as simple as that. Just in case these two parts separate, make sure that this spring goes back in its place right here, okay? So that's it. Just make sure that goes back in and align it with respect to the body. Alright, so just to show you that the screws are the same length, here we go. So yeah, it just goes right back in, okay? Alright, so we're gonna put it back together now. Alright, reposition the spring, align it, and then insert this new knob. Find a thread and just simply screw it in. Alright, that's it. That's how it looks. So now if you want to change the position, it's much easier to grip. Than previously. So much easier to turn. Alright, so old one versus new one. Here's the size comparison, okay? Alright, well that's it. I guess this is a fairly easy upgrade. If you have any questions or comments, please comment down below in the YouTube video or contact us at ProMediaGear.com. Alright, thanks for watching.